I've used a number of Garmin products in both racing and training for the past few years. They gave me all the data I needed and more for training purposes. It also gave me quite a big advantage in competition, particularly in races where you're not allowed to race radio. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Garmin 800 with a heart rate strap or power meter. Click on Menu, go to the Settings spanner in the bottom right hand corner, Bike Settings, scroll down to Heart Rate, click on ANT Plus or ANT Plus Heart Rate, click on Heart Rate Monitor. At the moment it said no, yes, rescan. It should find my heart rate monitor now. Heart rate monitor detected. Once it's detected it, click back. And once you get to the main menu, you'll see your heart rate. Mine's currently 64. Many of the race organisers now have the Garmin to create their routes, and so they have Garmin files available, which is in the GPX format. I would either upload these to my 800, or if they weren't available, I'd attempt to copy the racebook route. To pair the Garmin 800 with the power meter, click on Menu, the Settings button again, Bike Settings, and this time go to Bike Profiles. Click on the bike that you've got with the power meter present and go down to ANT Plus Power. Make sure it says Power Meter Yes, and when you've got your power meter present, click Rescan. It will find it. Your power meter or heart rate strap or cadence sensor will have its own unique number. To find out what this number is and to make sure you're not picking up anybody else's data, click again on the power button and we'll go to Power Meter, Sensor Details, and here it's going to have your sensor ID, which will be a 5-digit number. Note that down, and if it does happen to pick up anybody else's, you can just simply input the sensor ID using a keypad. Do the same for the heart rate monitor. I've got one of those on. So in sensor details, if it happens to be picking up somebody else's and you know that your number is 12880, click on sensor ID, delete the number that's in there and put in your own number which you've noted down. Then go back to the original screen and you should be getting all of your own personal data. It allowed me to see when major climbs or changes in direction were coming up, the latter very important in windy races. I could also see if there was some respite coming up on a long climb or exactly how far it was to the top of the climb. There is actually a shortcut on the Garmin 800 to get to those settings. If you just click once on the power button on the upper left side of the unit, that will bring up this tools screen. The power symbol is this one here, and the heart symbol is pretty obvious in the top left hand corner. Click on the heart symbol and it will bring you to the screen which I just showed you. Same for the power symbol, it goes to the same screen, and this one in the middle is if you want to pair with any bike sensors, so a speed sensor or a cadence sensor. Click on Yes and you can rescan for any of them. I could also of course see how many kilometers were remaining in the race and could also have markers for intermediate sprints or climbs. Not many of the pros really use the 800 to this degree, but I think we'll see more and more of it. I also see it as a very useful tool in sportif and Gran Fondo events. Before you go out on your ride, don't forget to subscribe now to the Global Cycling Network to get more videos like this.